Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I want to share with you a very easy recipe, bacon and eggs, but we're going to cook it over a campfire. So you can use this recipe if you go to the cottage or camping this year. So let's start cooking. Okay everyone, so the first thing you want to do is just slice the bacon. This is just the original bacon and I just take it out of the package and just slice it this way. Okay, and the other thing you need to cut is your green onion, and I cut mine just like this at an angle. And that's essentially all the prep work you need. The only other thing I did is cut up a baguette and I freeze mine just to make it last longer. And it just unfroze for a little bit in a Ziploc bag, and that's all you need. So here we just have a frying pan over campfire. Just make sure it's all metal, so no plastic handles or anything that can melt. So just warm it up a little bit, and then you want to add your bacon and start cooking your bacon. And I don't add any other fat because this is pretty fatty bacon already, so you don't need any extra oil or anything. And just toss it around, make it a little bit golden, and then you can start adding your onion. Actually, before adding onion, I'll add some pieces of the baguette. Add some green onions. Toss it around and we're going to start adding the eggs. Okay, so just add eggs. And just allow it to cook so the eggs are not so runny. If your baguette starts to burn at the bottom, you can always take it off first and just let your eggs finish cooking. And you can also add some salt to your eggs. That's optional. Bacon is pretty salty, so that's really up to you. And I think it looks about ready. So I think we're good. Okay everyone, so here's the final product. So this is bacon and eggs done over a campfire. I hope next time when you travel in summer to the cottage or a campsite, try it out. It is very delicious, much better than when you cook it on stove top. It just has this kind of like a smoky, very nice flavor to it, and the bacon is very crispy and nice. So thank you so much for watching like always. If you like series like this, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!